1947, freedom rang in the air. British Empire leaving, but the cost was despair. Clement Attlee spoke power would soon transfer, though Mountbatten came fast, said time won't wait here. Mountbatten plan announced June 3rd on the day. Two nations drawn quick, destiny sealed by haste. India and Pakistan, lines cut through the land. Radcliffe drew the borders with a shaking hand. Punjab split in half, Bengal torn apart. Maps made in rooms, but they shattered the heart. Religion became reason, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh. Politics spoke loud, but the people were weak. 1 crore displaced souls, forced to leave their home. Trains full of silence, blood-stained chrome. 15 million moved in the biggest migration, while 10 lakh lives lost, price of partition. Children lost parents, parents lost names. Freedom came wrapped in fire and pain. Refugee camps everywhere, Lahore to Delhi. Emirates a cry, so did Karachi. Women suffered most, unheard, unseen. Abduction violence, too dark to be clean. History writes numbers, but not the screen. Not the broken bangles, not the shattered dream. August 15th, India woke up free. August 14th, Pakistan's destiny. Jawaharlal Nehru spoke in midnight hour, traced with destiny, hope mixed with power. But while flags went up and speeches were said, the ground still drank tears mixed with the dead. Partition wasn't just borders or law, it was home's faith, memories torn raw. Freedom was earned, but unity fell. A victory written with the tragic spell. Remember the names, the dates, the cost, because independence also remember.